Uh, Hello everyone. Oh, 1 second. Oh my gosh. Hello everyone. Welcome again to the live stream development of the 2D mobile game Cure-All in collaboration with the USMC Semper Fi. As always, my name is Russell, and as per usual, I have the immense pleasure to develop for you here live on Twitch. I did not stream yesterday. However, we're here this morning on this beautiful Saturday, so let's go ahead and dive right into development. All right. So right now I'm working on a bug. I had switched gears. To content related to Cure-All's campaign. As you can see, we are in a room here, and I'm gearing up to prepare to exit the first room and then create the first beat of story. But this is not content in the scope of this stream, but I did want to just show that off real quick. So we'll go ahead and close this out. And then okay, I'll just switch branches. Okay, and reopen our project now that we're on the branch. Thank God for GitHub. Oh my God. Just I think it's mind-boggling the amount of effort and brilliance that went into the creation of this source control software. That's crazy. Like, having this has been like a godsend, honestly. So in other news, we have something very exciting. We have another follower to the stream. Spark Cities, I want to give you a shout out. We're audible, right? I want to give you a shout out. Hey, Spark Cities, thank you so much for being awesome and following the stream. You have no idea how much you have helped with your follow. You rock, and I want to give you another shout out, Spark Cities, and say all the bless. I send you all the bless. Thank you so much for following the stream. That helps. So let's go ahead and dive right back into where we had left off. Ignore those two. That game count shouldn't have been 0. That's bad. This 1. That got reset. Cool. So we no longer have the issue. We no longer have the issue where we have no longer have the issue where equipping lead does not reset what constitutes a gang for the puffer larva. However, we have a new problem. Seems like equipping lead removes the spawner for the puffers, because I don't see any spawning after we equip. I don't see any spawning after we equip lead. So let's isolate the bug and make sure that's the issue, and then move forward. Today's stream is going to be as long as I can make the stream, guys, because I want to make some good progress for this stream. I will be here for at least 90 minutes. So then if we... Oh. They should still spawn. No. Yeah, they should... Okay, so... The invuln... Does it... So going down to 1 urge doesn't stop them from spawning. Okay, that's all well and good. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Going down to 1 urge doesn't stop them from spawning, and they're still spawning, so why did they have... Did I just need to wait that one time? Oh god. I think they stopped spawning now. Nope. Bye. There's some weird behavior here. Alright. Okay, so how would I describe the nature of this bug? First of all, let's go back to stream. I don't know where the music went. There we go. And then let's go to Jira. Okay, so I would call that fatal. So let's go ahead and place that on the highest priority. Okay, so excuse me, to fix that, what's one thing we can like... This destroy. That line of code is commented out, so there should be no other place where this spawner is destroyed. So I'm gonna run this 5 more times. 5 seems like a good number. 5 seems like a good number. To make sure that the spawner for the puffer stopped. I know that it stopped on that one test. So let's see if we can make the let's see if we can get repeat behavior. So it seems like more specifically breaking up a gang. 2, 0. Lava splash still works. Seems like specifically breaking up a gang causes the spawner to be destroyed. So we just have to wait for one to form. I could up the spawn rate to do that. Okay, so now they should stop spawning. Nope, still see one there. So we broke up a gang with safety, and then they stopped spawning, and then they kept spawning. So that was 1. Let's go again. Okay. Outrage is still up. Outrage expired. We still have puffer spawning. One. Okay. They formed, use safety, and they still see buffer. So. Okay, so that's fine. That's fine. want to do a manual test as well. Should be really cool. All right, BRB. All right. Oh no. Okay, so that's just a connection to this Android device. Okay, apply. Okay, and now we go to just run it on this device. It's going to take a few minutes. So that was, I'm going to call that 2 different tests. The 2 different tests where the buffers kept spawning after they were destroyed by the shield. So I'll do 3 more in the virtual machine, but I want to open the game on the phone to test that there too. What am I testing? There's this lag I'm noticing, and I'm wondering if it's the unit tests on the I wonder if it's the unit test lagging the game. If the unit tests are lagging the game, I still want unit tests, but I want to see if that's making the game lag on the phone. If that's only lagging on the phone, I would proceed with unit tests simply because I know they're better to have, and I want to release only on mobile for now. So a PC launch, this isn't a PC. Mac OS launch is not in the cards for us right now. So I'm not worried if the virtual machine only is lagging. This was quite the task here to incorporate GitHub, or Terminal rather, into this Game Maker Studio project. There's a built-in version control with Game Maker engine. However, I make more beneficial circumstances when I have when I have a baseline command over terminal for a project. So this is good. This is good. So, update on the. Um I wasn't able to automate the greeting because I'm still trying to figure out Firebot, and I wasn't able to figure out how to get the iPad screen showing up on the stream. I can get an iPhone stream. I can get the my iPhone camera, not the screen, but I can get the iPhone camera to show up through this third-party service called VDO.Ninja. However, I can't seem to get the screen for the iPhone or the iPad to show up. So I still need to figure that out because using the trackpad with the whiteboard slows the stream down. So that's still my little homework assignment. I just want to automate the first greeting and kind of uh, get into the nuts and bolts of streaming and all the options available to me to streamline the stream. So yeah, we that is the ongoing homework assignment, and hopefully on Monday I will have those two things complete. There is a lot. There is these next couple of sprints have um, a learning curve to them, and once we clear those hurdles, things get easier because I need to figure out how to. Because right now I'm dealing with an issue where when you're walking in the overworld, you're stuck on walls. Once we get unstuck, that's a huge. That's like that code is good for the rest of the game. I need to figure out JSON, JSON parsing for save states and a lot of other things. And then there's one more thing, but I need to. Those two things alone are such a huge spurt forward in terms of the coding side of Cure All. So once we get past that hurdle, I know things will be much, 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 much better. So nothing, you know, no challenge will stop us. So let's keep going. Nothing to it but to do it. Super tangential, random, non sequitur thought, but I just had the thought like how much you restrict your energy is inversely proportional to your earning potential. Anyways. Let's see if this is hurting my storage because I don't want to build this for no reason. Still have a lot of it built successful. Let's go ahead and start running. I don't know if that was 2 minutes, but the compiler said it was 2 minutes. Yay, okay. Oh. we got so much work done. So, as you can see, got the game showing up on the phone here. Alright, so let's go ahead and this is running a lot smoother than I thought it would. Oh my god. Okay, so puffers are still spawning here. Yeah, they're still spawning. This is running much smoother than I thought it would. Alright. The lava disappears almost instantly on mobile though. Let's see if... Aw. Oh my god. Okay, yep. Okay, yeah, the lava disappears almost instantly. Yeah, okay. So that is an issue on... So that's an issue on mobile. Good to know. Good to know, good to know, good to know. So let's log that while we're here. Well, no, let's use the correct language here. So if I... Yeah. All right. Oh, gosh. Okay, so let's be more specific here. Okay, so that doesn't bother me. I just need to figure out why here. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and stop the run here. And then run. Oh, that's another, that's... No, what? Okay, so I want a gang to be 3 puffers. Right now, I think that the gang behavior is happening when there are 4 or more. So that's also not part of the intended design. So let's go ahead and do our 3 more tests real quick on the on the MacBook Pro, we verified that there is no issue with lag on the phone, which is ultimately our goal. However, the lava is disappearing when I tried to create a bond. So that is not good. I'm glad we caught that now. So we want to go to Mac OS. There we go. And then run. That's not good. So that reset too. So that's how I want to word that bug. That reset too quickly. So that looks like that's so spotty. Okay, so that didn't count. We lagged out. So for okay. It's one gang broken up. Okay, the germs are still there. be. Yep. I can confidently say that the puffers no longer spawn. So that at least I tracked the bug properly. Okay, so... Okay. Okay. This is a thing. Okay, so... If this is like a layers thing, then I'm gonna laugh. Let's go to our... Let's go here, spawners, let's deactivate. I don't think that's gonna be our issue. Simply because... Ooh. The heck? Oh, that's right. I still don't think that's gonna be our issue. Simply because... I don't think the layer has any effect on the spawn behavior. I don't think the layer the spawner is on affects whether or not the spawner works. If it does, that'd maybe be because the instance if the spawners are on a different layer than the instances, maybe they can't point to another layer. Maybe they can't point to another layer But I don't know. We just have to test that out and try it. Uh, I think that was a cover. Okay, that's what I wanted to. So if we break up a gang before outrage applies, the puffer stops spawning. What? Alright. Specifically, so before the outrage debuff procs, if we activate safety, then then if we activate safety before the outrage debuff procs, then the spawner disappears. So it has nothing to do with the layer. I was right about that. So this is a bug. Called that one, and then we have to go to the then we have to go to Ross. We have to go to. That's right. So much. This brings back memories. So much happened. With that little circle. Oh my god. It's an Xbox joke, right? Red Ring of Death. Alright, so do I destroy the... So odd. So odd. Outrage. So outraged. Something is... Well, what do I remember doing? Step. Reset gank. I call reset gank out here. What is in reset gank? But why does that stop the spawner? That's very, very strange. Why does that stop the spawner? Why does that stop the spawner? Okay, if not gang formed. There we go. Spawn the puffers. Only if a gang isn't formed. Oh god. Okay, because we only, if there's a gang, we don't want it, right? Here's the logic. Oh my gosh. If there's a gang currently hoovering, don't spawn any additional buffers. Alright, so if not gang formed, so then we have to go to then here. So then. Set gang count. Gang count 0. Oh. Okay, cool. I need to find for everything. Everywhere this is false, because if gang formed is false, then we don't spawn any puffers. Correct. This is potentially bad logic here. Okay. Well, no, so that's the logic that's like that's the logic that's causing the issue. If there's no game, create let's create a helper method here. Lord mercy. Okay, so just need to go to the subject. Why am I adding this line of code at line 13? Because reset gang count seems the call to reset gang count on the safety object seems to excuse me, seems to be the culprit. What I mean by that is the call to reset gang count seems to stop the puffers from spawning because of the logic on line 7 here. If there isn't a gang formed, then don't spawn any puffers. Something about activating something about activating safety before outrage causes the causes gang form to be false. So if we just force the logic to spawn, this might double up the spawning though. Let's see. If we force the logic, if we force I spawn no matter what, then we get rid of that issue. That creates another problem though, where I feel like there will be double the spawning, double the puffer spawn. Let's go ahead and see. Yep. It's not that bad though. Okay, so see, double it. We doubled. Okay, so I was correct. On both fronts, we double up the spawning. We double up the spawning if we do this. So. Well, at least we're not stuck. That's exciting. Oh. Oh. Keep going. ink house 0. That's right. So oh, wait. I think this is the culprit here. Once the hoovering is finished, set the gang form to false. Activating safety prevents this from happening. Prevents us from getting here, but then gang form would just be true. So that shouldn't stop the spawner. If the gang is informed, spawn the. If a gang is not formed, spawn. No. Well, if this variable is false, then spawn the puffers. So if it's true. Oh, okay. So if it's true, so our object diagrams come in handy. Oh god. Okay. So if it's true, then puffers won't spawn. Where do we see that being set to true? As soon as the gang forms. Right. So a gang is formed, is set to true. Puffers no longer spawn. So we never get to this line here. That's the issue. Oh my god. Alright, so we never get to this line here if we destroy them prematurely. It's never set to false, and then the puffers never start respawning. Oh! What? So then you just need to... Okay, so then we just need to put that logic on the shield too, so we can go back to... Okay. Right. We could just go back to this. Click. No, this one. Safety. Object safety. So this is... Oh, yeah. Hmm. If we destroy a gang before they're finished choosing, this doesn't allow gang formed. Once again on line 18 of the step event of the puffer object. On line 18 of the online scan on line 18. Step event. This doesn't allow gang form to be false again on line 18 of the step event of the puffer object. Meaning no more. Meaning no more puffers will spawn. Whee! I think that solves the issue. It's clean build. Go again. Well, now I get outraged, so that doesn't matter. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yep, we still get them spawning. So let's just test that out 5 times and make sure that is no longer a problem. Alright, so we just go to the Despawn. Despawner. Alright, yes. Okay, that only happens one time. So, on an object diagram, this would be an association with the safety object. Well, this would be an association of lead with the. You don't have an association with a variable in object-oriented programming. This would be an association of lead with puffers. Because lead needs to interact with the gang-formed boolean of a puffer. Technically, I think that boolean lives on cure, but anyways, lead needs to interact with that boolean so that we don't get this bug. That one was ridiculous. Okay. Okay, yeah. Woo! And just need to be quick on the draw here if there's another gang. Ugh. Oh my gosh. What is this? What? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so let's just skip that nut test. So let's set our sights on the next bug. Yeah, this is another one. Next sprint, I'm changing this minigame background, by the way. Like, I want to put more into the art. Just, I want to solidify the architecture and the coding aspects of this game and of my programming habits before we, like, move forward. Ugh. Okay, just want another gang to form, just to prove that I can get a gang to form. There we go. Outrage procced too quickly. Oh god. Of course. Anyways, woo! one more time, but oh, we got that bug fixed. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Then I'm gonna, after this bug, I'm gonna do a git push to origin. I'm gonna clone the project folder. Before I do that, yeah, I'm sure there are other programmers that have done that. I am going to switch to every feature branch, do git checkout to every feature branch, copy what the file folder, what the project folder looks like on that branch, and make basically like a clone local repo. And that before I do my git push to origin, so that I have access to the game in the game's different versions on the different feature branches before I do that push to origin. Because, better safe than sorry. And technically it would be another backup of the game. People who are good at information security, you don't know how honestly sacred you are in times like these. Oh gosh. Get your money's worth. Know your worth. We are in times of some of the worst information breaching in history, so please get your worth. Puffer still spawn. Yup. Okay. Okay. Good enough for me. Puffer still spawn. We fixed that bug. Oh my gosh. Woo! I love specificity and detail. And yep. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait. After a few rounds, the puffer stops spawning. So let's just endlessly play. Let's just endlessly play this bad boy, because I think we just fixed we just fixed that bug too. Mystery bugs. Oh my gosh. This is what I love about the game I'm making. every well, that's any game. This is what I love about game development. Every element of the game is a game. So endless dev. Oh gosh. Oh god. Makes me so happy. Because once we get the challenge of designing and implementing this enemy, then we have the other 3 in the first level to create, and then we have 4 more in the second level, and then we have 4 more in the level after that, and gives me life. Oh my gosh. That speech bubble shit. Yeah, that speech bubble shit. Is outrage working? No, that's another thing. Boo. Plus devs who have to look at prototype prototype art in the prefabs before the what the public sees, before the visuals the public sees are applied. Right, buffers still spawn. Oh gosh, yep, I strongly believe that we have fixed that bug as well. That is so crazy and awesome. 1, 2. So, oh, that was another one. We need to just decrement that. We need to decrement that, because that's messing up the count. That was another issue we're supposed to fix on today's stream, but I'm pretty sure we just... Can we get another gang? I know we're lagging, but can we get one more? One. No, 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 no. What? This is too much lag here. One. We got three. I think we're gonna. I hate this thing. I made the thing and I hate this thing. Yeah. Uh-huh. Just like I saw, that resets to 0 and we don't want that. So. Yay! Alright. What's the problem that I'm already seeing happen? Let's go here. Click. Click. Go to open beta, Sprint 49, whiteboards, and this reshow. Oh gosh. The problem I'm already seeing here is this. So, problem, when the second puffer detaches, gang count goes to 0. See? When the gang count should be 1. So, if there's a premature detachment, the gang count goes to 0. That's bad. If P1 is attached, the gang count should only be 1. So we need a function decrement gang count. So that was another on the list of to-dos. Okay, so this, we fixed that. Thank God. Oh my God. Oh, bless. Oh my gosh. Lots of bug fixes early on in the sprint. This is a 4-week sprint. Lots of bug fixes early on. I don't want to leave these dangling. All right, these are really small ones. All right, so let's go ahead and. Ooh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, cool. Right. So then we want to go to if all right, so we go here. Where's the function? Oh. Why did I? Dude. That should. Silly little 10th. That was silly. That was silly. No worries. Bless. I just got a crazy idea. Oh, this game is so wacky. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, this game's so wacky. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whew. Alright, I just gotta... Ay. Oh, gosh. Oh. Greatest equal to 3. Yeah. Let's keep going. Alright, and that's another... Okay, this is a bit of a complex bug. I want to add an image here. Here we go. Okay. One sec, everyone. I'm going to plug my MacBook Pro charger in. Okay. Okay, so wait, we don't need to go through all of this. We just need to find Mm. Hmm. So, the solution I'm attempting here. This problem isn't as difficult as I thought it was. So, problem when puffer 2 detaches, the gang count is reset when it should be 1. If there's a premature detach, that is represented by this logic. Then the gang count, if you want to detach, gang count is equal to 1. That's right. So if there's a duo, just decrement. Yep. One line of code does not make a function. Now, I believe this is a DevOps conversation, but I could just go ahead and make a decrement gang count. But this should suffice. Oh, and then that remains 0. 1, 2, and then that gets. Oh, but then if it's broken, and then there's just 1. If the gang count is equal to. We just want to. So we do need a reset gang count for safety. We do need a reset gang count for safety. Oh, what if we reset the gang count when there are no puffers spawned? That's fine because safety will while lead is visually on the screen, any puffer that spawns will just instantly be destroyed. Meaning the gang count would be 0 anyways. So wait a minute here. Oh, I think I overcomplicated this. Let's comment this code out. We just need to decrement. Oh, that causes its own problems because this isn't a step event. Okay. Outrage didn't trigger outrage. That's fine. One. One. It's a germ, ignore that. So, let's wait. One. don't want to. I don't want to call that bug fixed because. Oh wait, but then. Oh, this is bad logic. Why is that bad logic? Because if gang count is duo, then immediately that's going to be solo. If the gang count is duo, immediately that's going to be solo, and then immediately go to 0 before the actual second cusp hit on link. So we're almost there. All right, so right, and we don't want that to immediately go to 0 because what if another one comes in? So, getting rid of this logic, I already know is gonna cause a problem. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. So the default behavior we want is if the gang count isn't equal to 2. If the gang count isn't equal to 2, and oh gosh, if the gang count isn't equal to 2 and the gang count is greater than 0, I didn't know I could just write that. If the gang count is greater than say greater than 0. If the gang count is greater than 0, if the gang count is greater than 0 and the gang count is not equal to this gang count is not equal to 2. Well, no. Yeah, because if we have that equal to solo. Oh my god, I'm confusing myself. The gang count is duo. So these should be 2 separate if statements. We're gonna see if the gang count is greater than 0 and the gang count isn't equal to 2. This is a little dangerous here, because what if the gang count's greater than 0, and what if the gang count's 4? But a gang is only 3. Let's just say less than, keep things simple. Okay. All right. And then this solves that whole issue. If this is correct. Oh gosh. And I don't want to think about this logic for counts greater than, so gang should only ever be 3 puffers. Not more than that. It looks kind of cool, but the things get too weird with this decrementing that we need to do. Oh. Is this the last of the... Oh. Is this the last of these issues here? Okay, we're on the last few bugs. Puffer's not done because we still need Bubble Burst and Fool's Gold, but after this we'll be done. Ugh. Oh, but if it's just one, that decrements. Oh. If broken. I'm I'm stoked to solve this. Yeah, clearly two. Oh yeah. Oh, what is this? This is Smart Race from Deltarune. Oh, but then that just goes to 0 anyways. Oh my gosh. What can we do here? I don't want... Two is only equal to 2. Oh, but then I see why that else doesn't work. You decrement the gain count and then immediately reset. You decrement the gain count and then immediately do a reset, which does not help our problem. I think one issue is that maybe that I'm doing this globally, but that is a global variable. Then you only... Oh, God. This is freaking... Think, Russ. So... Oh, why is... Okay, so... Where are we? We are in this logic of... We are in this logic of this puffer. This puffer's instance variable is now true. While that instance variable is true, this takes me back to intro to C. While that instance variable is true, we're going to be calling this logic. Okay. What is the instance here? If the... Okay, what is this? The link is not broken, and the gang count is... The link is not broken, and the gang count... The link is not broken, and the gang count is... 1. Okay, so this logic is fine. We need to... This logic for if there... So we'll just have one here. So we only want to do that once. Let's do this procedurally. So just want to. Oh my god! Wow, this is the game loop requires a completely different style of thinking. I want to say, I want to change that variable from being called every frame of the step method so that the decrementing stops. So the decrementing stops. I want broken to be false. That's what I want in words. Uh, oh, that doesn't make sense because it never. I need a break. This is. Oh god. Yep. All right, guys. We're gonna let's just test to see that we fixed the one bug. Nope. Oh. See, no, we can't do that. Uh, oh, and then uh, let's just isolate this test then. If this is after this, I'm gonna take a break. I'm just making sure that the speech bubble bug is fixed, and that I'm gonna take a break because this is more difficult than I thought. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in to this point. This one is a doozy. However, uh, we got this far, so we will succeed. Oh my gosh. What the Oh my god, I just want to make sure the speech bubble appears. It seemed like activating safety made the speech bubble disappear. Oh my god. This caused a lot of this. Like, the spawn of the germs and puffers caused the okay, yes, awesome. The spawn of the puffers caused the oh, interesting. Oh, okay. The spawn of the puffers caused the caused this test to take longer than it should. But this one is a doozy. We'll figure this out though. Brain. Figure this out while I am doing something else. Alright, so another bug fix. Alright. Everyone, we are going to take a 15-minute break. Please enjoy a funny video in the interim. You know, wait a minute. I know it's coming here, and then I need to do... Actually, we're going to make this 30 minutes. Why are we going to make this 30 minutes? We're going to make this 30 minutes because I need to do a... I just need to make a second local copy of all of these feature branches before I do this push to origin. Alright, so I will be right back. Let's go ahead and do that because I just know that as I search for YouTube videos, this is going to be mind games and the ads. It's like, if we can't SWAT you, then we'll do this. That's fine, I don't care. Alright, so... Alright, so we've got... Hey Siri. Set a timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes starting now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What?
This is all we need. Important moments with important people, and of course an imposter in the end.
Oh, hang on, little one. See if we can get a nice selfie with us. Oh. It's okay. Ooh. It's okay. It's okay. Wait. Okay, we out.
So now you're telling me you have your own stylist at your barn. That's the coolest thing, I must tell you. Who loves French fries most? Must be a cat stuck his head in the French fries box.
Jesus, and finding the people around too many for them to
Yeah.
One thing about relationships that last long is that they act like they're enemies without knowing that, but in a positive sense.
Sie doch nicht checkt. Die laufen sich jetzt die ganze Zeit.
They keep saying trying to put yourself together, but this is literally everyone with a job in the bathroom after work. Just kidding.
Look, you had you some food. No, you can't have this food. Hey, no. Hey, oh, you little. Ah. He actually took the chips. He actually took the whole packet of chips.
Beware of the goat sign should be put on it immediately after seeing this incident. For sure, or the dog will be offended.
Stop headbutting me.
Seems like this is a potential news to be broadcast nationally.
Mira el Simón con una araña, pollito. ¡Simón! ¡No! ¡Simón! ¡No! Voy a llamar al Mario.
This pretty much sums up my relationship with my co-workers when they tell me to run an errand for them.
In less than a decade, AI will be unavoidable, shaping every aspect of your daily life. In fact, it's already changing the way that people work, and if you don't learn how to use it now, you'll be way behind. Lucky for you, I found the best-kept AI secret that nobody's talking about. The constant battle to manage your time can leave you exhausted, and traditional calendars just aren't cutting it anymore. Imagine if AI could take over, reshuffling your day as things change, because let's be honest, they always do, making sure that you're always on top of what matters most. Well, that's exactly what Motion does, giving you back control of your time. Check this out. It's simple. All you have to do is make a new task. Fill out a couple details like how long you think it might take you, what priority it is, and what your deadline is. Then Motion does all the hard work of slotting it into your calendar at a time that's best for you. The whole process takes about 5 seconds. And if that's not enough, if you don't end up getting to a task, Motion does something that no other to-do app does. It automatically shuffles your unchecked tasks to the next ideal time slot, meaning that you'll never have to deal with a task being past due. If you happen to get a task done early, Motion will move the next task into that planned time slot so that you never have to wonder what you need to work on next. On top of that, Motion is super minimal and aesthetically pleasing, meaning that it fits almost natively into whatever operating system you have. While others are struggling to keep track of their tasks and events, you can be way ahead of the curve using AI to increase your own personal productivity. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's gotta cost a fortune to hire your own AI personal assistant, right? Well, no, actually, it's only 62 cents per day. That's about 85% less than the average price of coffee. And the best part, you can try it out for free for 7 days, literally right now, and be a part of the 1% of people who can actually start living their lives now that their tasks are organized.
I was kidnapped and forced to be a child soldier in Congo. I lived in the jungle in terror and fear for my life every day for 9 months. Hi, my name is Kauka. I'm a musician and filmmaker based in Hollywood, California. Back in 2009, my village was invaded by rebel soldiers and I was separated from my family. Through God's grace, I managed to escape and reunite with my family in Kenya, where I lived for 5 years. With the help of International Rescue Committee, I was given an opportunity to come to America for a better life. Refugees need support to survive, recover, and rebuild our lives. Please donate to the IRC to help communities and stories like mine. Thank you.
Lucky for you footballers, if he wasn't a full-time bird, who would know if he'd be the feathered FIFA champion?
What are you gonna, what are we gonna, what? Oh no, easy does it, guys. Did you want some more?
Your children when you're in the middle of their video games and you tell them to clean their room or else get punishment.
Okay. Oh. What's your granddad, Leo? Oh my god, look!
How zoned out I am when I go to public places and can't process what's going on.
Luces, apágame la robótica si el perrito está confundido. Apágame la robótica si está confundido.
Personal conversation. 17 seconds.
She's giving random people with their direction problem don't know where they're next gonna show up at your door vibe. Working as a carrier is just so rewarding because you can meet your bestie at work.
Window.
Hello.
Oh, he's down.
He got his order. Bye, buddy.
I think this just proved that the tortoise can move mountains. There's nothing they cannot do, honestly.
Sorry.
Sablay na naman. Hirap kunin dran.
Huh?
Ano tayo na? Gumagalaw dre. Dama.
What will you do if you retire? I think this is the answer for those who've asked.
Miss Erica, will you please tell this clown pretty soon we won't even have credit card machines. It'll all just be AI.
I don't know. What do you think, babe? You think AI is gonna take over?
What you think?
I've been trying to tell this cat that pretty soon computers taking over everything. When you start drinking tabs?
That young man has taste. And about these computers, we gonna be all right.
I think we're gonna be all right.
Purina Cat Chow for curious kittens and cats of all ages.
What?
It's going from side to side.
What?
It's going to side to
The
side.
dog.
No, it's stuck. Alright. It's back on that side.
Not a tech savvy, rather be a tech enemy for sure. A nosy day, but worth telling Mum after returning home. Let's overfill your cup with happiness by this magic water.
Excuse me, Buck? Hey, hi. Can you eating my holiday arrangement? You back up, buddy. Okay, Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. No, no. Stop. No.
Flexing breaking the ice facade because you're a born walker and swimmer that no one can beat in this lifetime.
Thank you. Say something in English. English. Thank you. En français, s'il vous plaît.
This is a good example of husbands and wives with a competitive lifestyle but still stay together.
He's scratching his I'm terrified that he'll bite me.
Want to see a real match? You know who to meet. Random IDs you see online are finally needed. Passing your super cool trait to your friend's child because you're the definition of a cool auntie. When your iPad's been locked in the cupboard by mum.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Sneakily change your cat's diet to a lower price product. And this is them right after having their meal. Nothing better than free fresh milk after a hard day's work of meowing.
Oh my God, they're jumping over. Oh my God.
Without the ones like you working tirelessly to keep things running, everything would suddenly stop. No matter your industry, Grainger's here for you with professional-grade supplies. Call, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
This is giving a vibe of an Alaskan movie character who lives with their lovely puppy on a hill.
Yeah, right.
The feeling when you can play with the ball, but you want it so bad at the market. At least you can be proud of your beautiful decoration stuff that he decides to pick out among others.
Stanley! Oh my god. Ruined my life. Stanley, no. Come here.
Hey, yo, someone get this fucking guy, please.
Why are you standing like that? It's okay.
What? They have little dog.
It's not that bad.
Doggy socks. Those look like the little ninja.
Pepper.
The little
It's
ninja
okay,
feet.
come on.
Ninja. The little ninja shoes. That's what I'm trying to say. The toe shoes for running. Is that an English bulldog? That is an English bulldog.
Being humbled online is one thing you should be used to, folks. We all see it coming.
Spike.
Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, look how fast it is.
How hard is it like to be on a strict diet?
I feel like
Someone's lost here. Should we tell them?
Queso. Queso emergency. In queso emergency, I pray to Jesus. Alright, so
The last brain cells have left 2 minutes ago.
What have you done? Betty, was this you? You in your bag for life, you naughty dog? So bad. You are bad.
When you love thrifting so much but have no idea what to do with the stuff you've thrifted yet. Throwing a tantrum because it's a pretty privilege that only cuties can do.
This is her first time with a big leaf pile.
I told myself that being aggressive wouldn't solve any problems, but this is also me when the problems come. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Does your to-do list stress you out more than it should? My 3-hour Zoom call today got canceled. Thank goodness. Normally,
Bailey, are you sad? No.
Nope.
How adorable.
Not the smile. See, Loki likes it.
Sunshine,
At least you know he's very musical.
Rainbow, Taylor Swift, Chips and Salsa, Skyline Chili, Chupacabra.
When you're about to say something very important, but it slips your mind.
Hello? Oh, hey, how are you? Yeah, peanut butter, treats,
He looks like he has to handle your business.
we can go get a taco? Maybe some...
No problem.
Apart from Dad, I think this is the most difficult person in your house. To him, it's a crowning achievement.
Are you proud? Yes.
You're just born so your legs aren't that familiar.
Oh, we're just at home hanging out with Hazel and Motley. Yeah, they were very good pups today. They went for a walk. Yeah, the walk was really good. On the walk, we saw a few puppies.
Never know their head tilts could be this attractive. Summer vacation at Grandma's house is like, let's run an errand for Grandma.
I didn't know dogs could order biscuits.
Going for a walk.
One way to summon your furry buddy that no one tells you.
Oh,
Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go on a W?
It's so hard to guess who the real child is. Acting like a toddler because he is. It's time that you know that they can hear all your secrets, and that's because they understand your language.
Okay.
Alright, that is the alarm. That is the end of the break. Oh gosh. I will definitely say... I will definitely say that I needed that mental break. Oh gosh. This problem is a bug that we're fixing. I know in hindsight won't be that complex. This is just, requires some lateral thinking. Oh my god. Oh my god, 4 hours? Holy crap. So, what can we do here? Oh no, it's been 3 hours and 20 minutes. Almost 4 hours. So, what can we do here? I want to quickly clone. That's right. I want to just make a backup of this. 1 second, everyone. I'm just going to. When I say 1 second, I will take a few minutes now to just make copies of this repository before I do a push to origin. I'm doing this because I was talking to my mom for a second on the break. So we're gonna go ahead. Sorry for the black screen, guys. I just need to make sure that this is all well and good here. So let's look at all the branches real quick. Okay, this is fine. That's okay if I show this. Okay, just gonna start pushing on storage here. What we're gonna do is just this. Just close Game Maker while I do this. So I am going to. Huh? This isn't closing. It's strange. Oh, probably because I'm doing a paste in. No, that paste seemed like it finished. Of course, quit that. Okay, cool. Alright, so... Give me 1 second. Sorry guys, telemarketer called. Just need to block the number real quick. Okay. Okay, good. Alright, so now I should be able to do that fetch command. Oh gosh. Oh. All right. Cool. Master. Fetch. Enumerating forward done. Counting objects forward done. Compressing objects to done. Total 2 delta 1. Reuse 0 delta 0. Pack reuse 0 from 0. Unpack objects. Z3. Alright, from github.com, new Rust, crawl Mac 1. Alright, there's the, alright, from master, origin master. Okay, master points to origin, master now points to origin master, so we should just be able to do push origin master. Be able to push some refs. Rejected because the tip of your current brush is behind its remote counterpart. Integrate the remote changes, i.e. get pull before pushing again. We have all of this backed up manually, so thankfully due to having all of that backed up manually, if this is a disaster, we have a backup, and that's why you should have backups. Pull objects to reject because pull. You have divergent variances. Need to specify how to reconcile. You can do so by running the following commands sometime before the next get pull. Use false. Merge as far as you can replace it with. Oh, did I mute the? I didn't mute the audio. Oh, 1 second. 1 second, guys. Here we go. Ooh. Yes, Mom! Practicing coding. Can you give me a second, please? Thanks for your patience, everyone. I am in a very unique situation because though I am doing this ultimately for my mom does not believe that I am doing what I am doing. So in the Marines, we call that soup. So what do I do? Just like not do that? 11-11. So the you know, that is what it is. So we just deal with that and move on. All right. It's just. Alright, I need to figure out. So what I'm trying to do is figure out why I can't run this command. Oh no, that's not what I want. Before pushing again. So failed to push rushes, rejected CPU branches behind. Oh my god. And successfully rebased. Oh my god. Whew. So if you do a rebase false, that's just a merge. And then true, you're rebasing. Rebasing is usually preferable from what I understand. Okay, so now let's go on over to GitHub. I want to go to GitHub right now. Okay, so I can turn this way. Oh no, I want to be careful here. Yay. Alright, so went ahead and did that 3 minutes ago. Perfect. Perfect. Cool. See? Yep. See? Perfect. Okay, so, yep. So the project is backed up, everything we've done so far, so let's just go ahead and get back to the master branch. Alright, cool. Alright, so without further ado, this has been the live stream development of the 2D mobile game Cure All in collaboration with the United States Marine Corps, Semper Fi. As always, my name is Russell, and as usual, I have the immense pleasure to develop for you here live on Twitch. I will go ahead and see you on a Monday morning for more development, and by then hopefully we will have automated Twitch greeting, figured out the whiteboard issue, and then made some progress in this crazy bug we're experiencing. And yeah, I will keep you updated on everything. Look out for VGC sparring later today. I don't know what time, but as always, I have a great pleasure to stream for you here on Twitch. I'll see you Monday, later today, and then Monday. I'll see you Monday for more development. And as usual, everyone, all the best. Take care. Thank you for a new Twitch subscription. Okay, yeah.